Lung Center of the Philippines versus Quezon City. GR number 144104, June 29, 2004. Lung Center of the Philippines is a non-stock and non-profit entity which owns a 121,463 square meter parcel of land where a hospital stands. Both the land and the hospital building of the petitioner were assessed for real property taxes. Petitioner filed a claim for exemption from real property taxes, contending that it is a charitable institution and, as such, is exempt from real property taxes under Section 28, paragraph 3 of the 1987 Constitution. The court held that Lung Center is a charitable institution within the context of Presidential Decree No. 1823. And the 1973 and 1987 Constitutions and Section 234(b) of Republic Act No. 7160. However, the portions of the land leased to private entities as well as those parts of the hospital leased to private individuals are not exempt from such taxes. On the other hand, the portions of the land occupied by the hospital and portions of the hospital used for its patients, whether paying or non-paying, are exempt from real property taxes. The court ruled that the tax exemption covers property taxes only. What is exempted is not the institution itself. Those exempted from real estate taxes are lands, buildings, and improvements actually, directly, and exclusively used for religious, charitable, or educational purposes. In order to be entitled to the exemption, the petitioner is burdened to prove, by clear and unequivocal proof, that a. it is a charitable institution, and b. its real properties are actually, directly, and exclusively used for charitable purposes. What is meant by actual, direct, and exclusive use of the property for charitable purposes is the direct, and immediate, and actual application of the property itself to the purposes for which the charitable institution is organized. It is not the use of the income from the real property that is determinative of whether the property is used for tax-exempt purposes.